Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can make your photo on iPhone more blurry. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under the video. Write your comments after watching it. And let's get started. So friends, let me tell you right away that unfortunately, there is no blur option in your iPhone's gallery. But there are some little workarounds. Now I'm going to show you what you can apply. To do this, open your gallery. Now select any of your photos. At the top, click Edit. And now also on the top right, click on the pencil sign. Now if, say, you wanted to hide an object, you'd have to click on the very first pen sign, press and hold. Set it to the maximum here. And then click on the color. Select the color you want. And then click on the photo. You can zoom in if you like. And after that, you can sketch in what you would like to hide. This way, you will hide some object or something that you would like others not to see. So if you'd like to do a little bit of this blur effect on the whole photo, then I recommend that you go to the marker option here. Also click and hold on it. Set it to max, like I did, and also go to color. Here I recommend you choose from the colors below because they're not saturated. They won't overpower your photo, but they'll give you a slight haze effect. After that, start sketching your photo. Thus, sketch the whole photo as much as possible. Then if you have any margins left, like I did, you can, let's say, crop. Your photo can also be made saturated. You can make it less saturated. And as you can see, there's still that slight haze effect. If you don't like a certain color, you can choose just even more gentle colors and the lowest lines. They almost don't give any color at all. And give that slight blur and haze effect to your photo. And to then save all the changes at the top, click Ready. After which the photo edited will be saved in your gallery. This is the way, friends, you can try to make blur photo on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please write your comments, put your likes. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.